Namaste, good day to all. I am Cyntra Ramcharan, student of Guruji Gayatri of Bangalore, India. I will share my views on coronavirus from an astrological perspective. The solar eclipse, which occurred on the 26th of December 2019, could have triggered some kind of earthly event, either nature or man-made. According to numerology, this year, 2020, if you should add the figures 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 equal 4. 4 represent the shadow planet Rahu. So Rahu this year of 2020 will play a very significant role. Looking at the Prashna, Rahu is in Adra Nakshatra in the sign of Capricorn, ruled by Mercury. Adra basically is poison-like, and Gemini or Mercury represent hands. Rahu and Ketu is about virus. Rahu created this problem, and Rahu will also help fix the problem. Rahu is about multiplication and secrecy, so the virus can be spread easily without even you know it. In April, Rahu will transit into Mrigasha Nakshatra. This could facilitate some kind of solution. Ketu is in Mula Nakshatra in Sagittarius, thus creating intensity. Ketu represents isolation, confinement, hospitalization, and moksha, or seeking oneness with God. Ketu conjuncts Jupiter in Sagittarius. Jupiter represents life and expansion. Therefore, lives will be at risk. Ketu conjunction with Jupiter in Sagittarius could lead to an intensity and expansion of the virus, thus encouraging the idea of self-quarantine and or social distancing. This conjunction will bring about a higher degree of self-consciousness, discipline, and spirituality that will allow us to connect to our divinity at a deeper level, to do some soul searching and remove the negative energies around. On the 30th of March, Jupiter will transit into Capricorn with Saturn. The virus could start to decrease because Jupiter will lose its strength. Jupiter is debilitated, nicha, or weak in Capricorn, so the intensity of the virus could be less. This combination of Rahu, Ketu, and Jupiter brings about intensity and calamities. This happened 18 years ago when the 9/11 event occurred. Mars also is in Sagittarius. Mars will facilitate the cutting off effect of nations from one another via border restrictions. Mars will also move into Capricorn on the 22nd of March in conjunction with Saturn. Saturn, however, is in his own house and will use Mars energy since Mars is exalted or strong in Capricorn. So now Mars, Saturn, and Jupiter will be in Capricorn. Capricorn is the 10th house of the Kala Purusha, representing karma. Individuals will take responsibility for their karmas. Jupiter in Capricorn will supervise Mars and Saturn, indicating strict measures and practical expressions. Let's now look at another planet, Surya or Sun. Sun will transit to Aries on the 14th of April, where Sun will be exalted. The Sun can possibly harm or burn the virus, thus affecting its growth and reducing the spread. The Sun's energy could also facilitate a breakthrough in research to find a solution or remedy. This Sun transit will also coincide with the onset of summer, making the virus difficult to survive at higher temperatures. So in the next few months, a lot will be happening astrologically. In Capricorn, Mars is exalted, Jupiter debilitated, Saturn in his own house. In Aries, Sun will be exalted or strong. One can say a celestial power struggle, a very energetic and dominant force. All of this is teaching us a lesson to be disciplined. Discipline in all respect. Follow guidelines and advice of medical experts. Obey the rules and regulations of those in authority. Do not fear or panic. Just take all precautions. Practice personal hygiene. Hydrate yourselves and use water wisely. Grow your own food. At least plant a seed or seedling. But more importantly, connect to that spark of divinity within you. Change will happen for the better. Trust in God. Namaste.